What if I told you that by 2026, you could be saving an extra $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 every single month just by using the phone that's already in your pocket? And no, this isn't some overnight success story or a sketchy get-rich-quick pitch. This is about something far more realistic. It's about finally getting your money to work for you instead of constantly feeling like you're re-working for your money. Let's be honest for a second. Most of us were never really taught how to manage our finances. Nobody sat us down and explained budgeting, saving, investing, or cash flow. So what do we do instead? We wing it. We pay our bills, spend what we need to spend, swipe our cards a little too easily, and then hope there's something left at the end of the month. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't. Either way, it usually feels stressful. But what if there was a smarter way to do this? A way to track every dollar without obsessing over it? A way to hit savings goals without feeling like you're recutting all the fun out of your life? And a way to build real, long-term wealth that actually fits how millennials and Gen Z live today? That's exactly what we're talking about in this video. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the best budgeting app setups for 2026. Not just individual apps, but full systems that actually work in real life. Whether you rebrand new to budgeting or you VA tried every app under the sun and still feel stuck, there's going to be something here for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap you can use to take control of your finances, starting today. So let's start at the beginning. Where do you even begin with budgeting apps? If you've ever searched best budgeting app in the App Store, you know how overwhelming it gets. There are hundreds of options. Every app claims to be simple, powerful, and life-changing. But here's the truth most people miss. The best budgeting app is not about having the most features. It's about how well it fits your personality and your lifestyle. If the app doesn't match how your brain works, you won't use it. If you don't use it consistently, it doesn't matter how good it is. So instead of ranking apps from best to worst, we're going to do something smarter. We're going to break budgeting styles into three main personalities: the automator, the hands-on planner, and the visualizer. As we go through each one, you'll probably start nodding your head and thinking, yeah, that sounds like me. That's the setup you want to choose. Let's start with the first type, the automator. This is for you if your ideal budgeting system sounds like this. Just tell me what's going on and handle the rest. You don't want to manually track every coffee or every Uber ride. You don't want to spend hours inside an app. You just want clarity, organization, and progress without constant effort. For automators, the best setup usually involves two main pieces. The first piece is a powerful money dashboard app, something like Rocket Money or Monarch Money. These apps are built to automate as much as possible. You connect your checking account, savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and even investment accounts. Once everything is connected, the app gives you a full real-time picture of your financial life in one place. Your spending gets automatically categorized. You can see exactly where your money is going without manually logging anything. These apps also do a great job at spotting recurring subscriptions, the kind you signed up for during a free trial and forgot to cancel. Many Americans are surprised when they see how much money is quietly leaking out every month. Some of these apps also help you compare bills or flag areas where you might be overpaying. It's not magic, but it is convenient. It's like having a financial assistant keeping an eye on things in the background. The second piece of the automator setup is automated saving. This usually means pairing your main budgeting app with a high-yield savings account from something like Ally Bank or Marcus by Goldman Sachs. The key here is automation. Set up automatic transfers on payday. Every time your paycheck hits, a set amount moves straight into savings. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to rely on willpower. You simply build the habit into the system. This setup works especially well for people who are in steady income and want to build savings without constantly making decisions. It helps you stay aware of your money while keeping effort to a minimum. Next up is the second personality type. It's the hands-on planner. This is for the people who want control. You don't just want to know where your money went. You want to decide where it's going before the month even starts. You like structure. You like intention. And you're willing to put in a bit more effort if it means feeling confident and calm about your finances. For this group, one app stands above the rest. YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB is built around a simple but powerful idea. Give every dollar a job. Instead of forecasting based on money you expect to earn, YNAB focuses on the money you already have. When you get paid, you assign that money to categories like rent, groceries, transportation, fun, savings, and debt. Nothing is left unassigned. Every dollar has a purpose. What makes YNAB so effective is how it forces you to make trade-offs. If you overspend in one category, you don't just ignore it, you move money from another category to cover it. That means if you spend more on dining out, maybe that money comes from your travel fund or your tech upgrade fund. That moment creates awareness. You start asking better questions. Is this worth it? Over time, that mindset shift changes how you handle money entirely. YNAB does have a learning curve. It's not the fastest app to set up, but many people find that once it clicks, everything changes. You stop feeling behind. You stop feeling guilty about spending. You start feeling intentional. If money stress has been a constant background noise in your life, this hands-on approach can be incredibly empowering. Now, let's talk about the third personality type, the visualizer. This is for the people who are motivated by seeing progress. Numbers alone don't do much for you, but charts, graphs, and visual feedback do. You want budgeting to feel engaging, not boring? For visualizers, a great option is an app like Copilot. Copilot focuses heavily on design and user experience. The interface is clean, the charts are easy to understand, and your financial data actually feels approachable. You can see your spending broken down into clear categories. You can watch your net worth change over time. You can track trends without digging through spreadsheets. To make this setup even more powerful, visualizers often benefit from pairing digital tools with physical or visual goal tracking. That could be a simple notebook, a vision board, or even a printed savings tracker on your wall. For example, if you're saving for a trip, you might track the numbers in Copilot, but also keep a visual reminder of what you're reworking toward. That connection between daily habits and long-term goals can be incredibly motivating. This setup works well for people who want to stay engaged and inspired, not just organized. So which one are you? Are you the automator who wants things to run quietly in the background? The hands-on planner who wants full control over every dollar? Or the visualizer who thrives on seeing progress unfold? There's no right or wrong answer here. The best budgeting system is the one you'll actually stick with. Let's quickly recap. If you're an automator, consider pairing a full-picture money app like Monarch Money with automated savings through a high-yield account. If you're a hands-on planner, YNAB offers a structured way to give every dollar a purpose. And if you're a visualizer, a design-focused app like Copilot combined with clear goals can keep you motivated long-term. By 2026, your financial situation could look very different. Depending on your choices and consistency, you could be saving more, stressing less, and making intentional decisions with your money. It starts with choosing a system that fits you. If this guide helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And let me know in the comments which budgeting personality you are. I read every comment. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.